Man, out here doing these last little touches, man, getting everything wiped down, cleaned up, ready to hit this road.
Out of here.
Like I said, for the most part, man, we just finna cruising around the city. I might do a dealer check-in, shoot up here to Killer Creek Harley Davidson out here in Roswell, Georgia. Do a check-in up there. See what they got on the showroom floor, you know, do a little walk through that dealership. Have yet to be to that dealership in particular, so. But yeah, man, shout out to LT, man. Views on Tubes. Using this little cleaner right here, Molecule cleaner polish for your helmet and your visor. So, you know, keep that in the saddlebags, of course, but.
Let's see if that will work for this, which I doubt.
Yeah, man. I think that's, like I said, that's.
It should be in the mail today. I got something new coming.
Oh, yeah.
Should be.
Definitely. That's another thing, man. We got some surprises coming, man. For sure, for sure.
Stay tuned.
Things are in the mail being shipped. You know what I mean? Getting ready for this ride season, man. Like I said, today's weather is probably about a good 60 degrees now. I think it got a little warmer since this morning. But, yeah, man, we finna get out and enjoy the sunshine, man. For sure, for sure. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, baby. In a minute. We made it, man. Killer Creek Harley Davidson, baby. Oh, yeah. Girls did well, man. So yeah, beautiful day outside. So we outside taking advantage of it, man. Yeah.
Davidson
Yeah.
downloaded. We got the miles challenge this year.
All right. Get these miles verified, man. And you want to, you can grab the VIN. So I want to run that as well. Yeah. See if we can run up services on it. Oh yeah, man. Killer Creek, man. Shout out to Killer Creek Harley Davidson, man. You know, you can't visit a dealership without, spending a little money with Killer Creek dealership. Got me a few things, man. Got some poker chips, keychain, yeah, my hair, t-shirts. Great dealership, great service. Yeah, our new home dealership.
Yeah.
Feels good.
It's the home. It's official picture. I don't see a whole lot on out to the mail or the kickfish out here too. So I got my own little YouTube where you shoot content and all that.
Oh shit. Did they tell you about the 27th?
Yeah, I just took a picture.